This conductive TPU filament from RepRapper combines electrical resistivity with genuine flexibility, making it ideal for printed parts that need to bend while still carrying a signal. It is particularly well suited for experimental circuits, touch sensors, and antistatic housings, where you want embedded traces directly in the printed object rather than added wiring. The material is based on a reputable Ingeo formulation, so dimensional stability and layer adhesion are solid once you dial in the print settings. Tight diameter control along the 1.75mm strand helps reduce clogging and keeps extrusion consistent across long prints. When properly dried before use, the filament prints reliably and produces functional parts that maintain both conductivity and mechanical resilience. For makers and researchers comfortable with tuning print speeds and geometries, this filament opens up creative options for interactive and electrostatic discharge-safe prototypes.